let's look at how to build a major scale in any key, but we'll just do it on an easy one to start. We're going to start with C major, okay? So a major scale follows a certain pattern of whole steps and half steps, and in England people tend to call those tones and semitones. You can use them interchangeably. Here I'm going to refer to them as a whole step and a half step, and you'll see why in a second. So a C major scale sounds like this. It's the easiest one to remember because you don't have to remember any black keys. It's just all the white notes starting on C and going up to C. Now, most notes are a whole step apart because in between them they have a key. Okay, so most white keys are a whole step apart. C to D is a whole step apart, and it has this black key in between, C sharp or D flat. D to E is a whole step apart, and it has this one in between. Okay, E to F is a half step. It doesn't have anything in between, even though it's a white key to another white key, it's a half step or a semitone. And then F to G is a whole step, we've got a key in between. G to A is a whole step, a key in between. A to B is a whole step, and at the end B to C is a half step, nothing in between. So the pattern of a major scale goes tonic, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. Let's just go and draw that on the whiteboard. So here's C, we have tonic, so here we have a half step, and here we have a half step. It's between the third and the fourth notes and the seventh and the eighth notes, okay? So let's translate that pattern onto G now, okay? So we're going to start on a G. We'll play it on the piano first of all. Whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. So from E to F sharp is a whole step because we have a key in between the F. And then from F sharp to G is a half step. So we can see that when we play a piece that's in the key of G major or the scale of G major, we need to remember to play the F sharp note to make us have that half step at the end. So that's a scale of G major. We might play a piece in this key of G major, it would be the same thing. We play F sharp instead of F. There's a quick way that you can remember where those half steps go by saying a little mnemonic to help you remember. I'm going to write that out for you now. Very low tech. So we start with our tonic, always tonic first. Then we say, what will Harry wear? That's the first half of the sentence. William wears hats. You can change the names, you can change the sentence. Whole, half, whole, half. Whole, half, whole, half. What will Harry wear? William wears hats. So you can apply that to any major scale. Any one. Black key, white key, anything you like. And you need to be able to form those major scales or those keys to be able to play pieces that start on all sorts of different places.